everyone! I'm back with another video, and for tonight's video ay i-share ko lang na hiring yung company namin, which is Magic English, Magic Talk, basta may magic. So I've been working here since April 16 ata, and nung nakaraang araw lang is hiring sila. And syempre, hindi ko na patatagalin. This is weekly salary. The schedule is 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Availability 5 to 6 days per week. So, meron kayong 1 day na rest day. Pero if ever ayaw nyo naman ng rest day, okay lang. And yun nga, weekly salary via GCash or any bank. Ang start ng peak hours is 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Rate is 50 to 55 per 25 minutes. To start, send the following to Teacher Daylin Aninyon Lisondra. I will put the name ng FB niya para hindi kayo malito. And syempre, introduction video, resume, screenshot of your resume, and class in QR. Dapat alam nyo kung paano gumamit ng class in, at saka how class, kasi yung how class is doon yung makita yung schedule nyo and yung books ng student, kasi minsan hindi sila nagsisend sa class in, nilalagay nila sa how class, and then ikaw pa magda-download, and then ikaw pa mag-upload sa class in drive. Yun lang. So, thoughts po dito na company is okay naman siya, kasi kahit merong times na parang wala masyadong student. I think depende yun, kasi meron namang season na talagang wala masyadong student, meron din namang season na medyo marami yung student. So depende lang. If you're looking for parang part-time lang, sideline lang, ito talaga marirecommend ko. Yun. And about sa salary, hindi naman sila delayed. Like, siguro sa April, May, June, 3 months ako. So, sa 3 months, parang na-delay lang na parang dalawang times. And yung yung payday is Tuesday ng gabi or Wednesday ng umaga or hapon. Anyways, i-PM naman kayo ni Miss Daylin if ever na delayed, or malalaman nyo naman yan pag delayed or hindi. Meron ding GC. Di ko lang alam kung marami bang GC. Basta meron kaming GC. Na example, nagsasabi si Miss Daylin na delay yung sahod, gano'n, or dapat ganito, ganyan, maraming student, dapat marami kayong slots na i-open. Yun lang.